So I wanted to answer a question that I received that asked, do you think my kid should go the college route or the trade school route? And their main concern was college is just kind of the default, what everyone does after high school if you want a good job. And, I've been doing so much research on this stuff lately for my own kids because I have 3 kids with 3 very different interests. So we've just kind of been in there looking at numbers, looking at job demand, job security when you look at the next 10 or 15 years. And yes, college in the past was kind of the default. It was just kind of you go to college, you get a good job. If you don't go to college, you don't get a good job. You don't go to college, you just kind of start bouncing around from job to job after high school and hope something happens. That's no longer the case. College is a fantastic path for some. The trade path, however, is a really fantastic option for others. The trade route, let me just say this, if you have a kid, a teen who is interested in the trades, I highly encourage you to encourage them to pursue it. It is one of those paths where not only do you not have college debt, but you are going into a field, multiple fields, where the job demand is high. The job security looks fantastic when you look at how AI is going to affect the certain trades. So when you look out 10 or 15 years, the trade jobs are scoring towards the highest of the pack when it comes to careers that are going to be the least affected by AI. And the pay is fantastic. So no debt, high job security, lots of job growth, and good pay. Where's the downside to trades? There are none, in my opinion. And not only that, as you get out of high school and you go into an apprenticeship, you will start making money right away. And we're talking anywhere from $30,000 to $40,000 a year for your first year. And then that goes up every year. So by the time you get to your 4th year of apprenticeship, you're making $50,000, $55,000, $60,000 for that year. So you basically graduate to journeyman at the end of your 4-year apprenticeship, and you've now earned $175,000, $185,000. You have no debt, and you have 4 years real work experience, where now you are a licensed tradesperson, whatever you're doing, electrician, plumbing, HVAC technician, auto mechanic, whatever it is that your interests are. And you're now making sometimes a lot more than people who are just getting out of college are making. Plus, the people getting out of college now have to go find a job in the field. They have no experience. They have book smarts. And some of those jobs might only pay $35,000, $40,000, $50,000 right out of college. You now are making $60,000, $70,000, $80,000 right out of after your 4-year, apprenticeship. And it's just going to keep going up from there. As the trades, you can continue just working and earning a great living. You can go into supervisor roles. You can, if you're an entrepreneur, you can start your own company and make a lot more money. And again, you just have to think of the job security for these things, knowing that all of the trades are going to be there in the next 15, 20 years and beyond. And does that mean college is not a good path? Not at all. College is the best path for some kids. If you want to be a teacher, if you want to be a doctor, a nurse practitioner, if you want to go into accounting, then of course going to college is the right path for you. That makes sense.
Before we move on, I wanted to share a free resource that I created for parents helping their teens plan their futures. It covers 10 of the top career paths for the next 10 to 15 years, with details on pay, the education path required, and how AI is changing each field. You can download it for free below. It's a great resource and starting point for your teen's next step. All right, back to the video.
I just wanted to answer that question real quick, just because there should be no concern on should my kid go into the trade path if you're worried about them making the wrong decision because it's not college. There's nothing to be worried about there. Yeah, so when it comes to college or the trades, there is no wrong or right answer. Only a wrong or right answer for your kid. So whatever it is that your teen is interested in, that's the way you should help guide them. Encourage either path. Just make sure they're doing something that they're going to thrive in, their personality. Where are they going to make the biggest difference? Where are they going to be the happiest? That's the direction you want to push them. Don't feel like you have to push them to college just because it used to be the thing to do. It's no longer just the thing to do. It's one of the things that they can do. I made a video actually recently on is college even worth it in 2026? And I'll leave a link to that in the description below so you can check it out if you want. Like I said, we're doing so much research lately with our three kids just because we have a senior right now currently in the process of applying for college. We have a sophomore and a seventh grader, and they're all just kind of throwing all these ideas out there. And us as parents, we want to give them as much information that is up to date as possible. So hope it helps.